Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this episode, where are we at? 385? Yeah, 385 technicals, crypto, and stocks. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, comment below. Come on. Now, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on Discord. Links in the description, so it's a link to our Twitter. You can also join us there. Steve, how's it going? Jake, how's it going, man? Happy Thursday, guys. I hope you're having a great day today. Yes, we move on to crypto. What's happening with crypto? 1 second, guys. There we go. Notice that I had that weird light that was shining back. That's from a little grow experiment that I have behind my PC. I do have a couple plants growing there, mainly peppers, and they're doing amazing, dude. Jake, I know you like plants, bro. Check this out, man. This is a pepper plant in a vodka bottle, and it already has a huge size pepper in it. Isn't that cool? I also have like tiny peppers growing here, and here, and here. So, pepper in a bottle, right? Who knew? Who knew you could get so far with a weird vodka bottle and then peppers, right? That's not the only one I have. I have other pepper plants growing back there, but you know, I do have them with light throughout the day, which is really cool. Anyways, yeah, what are we at today, man? Crypto. Yes, crypto, the magic top. Now, is this going to turn red? No, they're actually Hungarian wax peppers, so they're going to be yellow. I do have cayennes that are green still. And I actually have one in a bottle that's just growing very weird. I'm not going to lift it because I'm afraid the branch is going to break. I have some cayenne peppers. I have Carolina Reapers, Scotch Bonnets, Scotch Report Orange, Scotch Brains, which is a 7-pot brain with Scotch Bonnet in mix. I have some Philios Blue, Pretty Purple, and Purple UFO, Chiltepines, Yellow and Red, Serranos, Habaneros, Orange Habaneros, and I can't remember. I have way too many peppers growing back here, man. It's like a small little jungle back here with like a lot of plants. It's really cool. The only thing I don't like is that they're right behind the screen. That's the only place I could find to put them. And I have a lot of lights out there, so you know I have to like shut a couple of them off by the time I do the stream. So it's kind of cool. Anyways, let's get on to what really matters today. Crypto. Oh, sorry guys. By the way, you know I'm starting off the stream while me doing other stuff, and I forgot to like intro at the beginning. So if you guys don't want to go through all this BS, just skip to whatever part of the video you want to look at if you're catching the replay, right? Anyways, on that note, there's some stuff I gotta finish doing here, which is posting to YouTube that I'm live. I haven't done that, and posting in the Discord. I know you guys are here, but you know I still gotta do that. So it's just little things that sometimes get busy and cut up, and I forget to do. But on that note, let's keep this rolling. Why not, right? I'm not sure what color Hungarian wax peppers turn when they're mature, but I know that you eat them at the yellow stage. So, they're gonna end up looking like this, mainly, right? So like this, Hungarian wax, right? They're gonna be like yellow and like that. So I'm not sure if they're gonna turn orange and red by the time they mature. But you eat them on the yellow stage, and they're pretty tasty. So I want to get some shishito peppers. So I heard those are good. Anyways, what's going on here with market cap? Going up! Yay! Money flew into the cryptos here. We still face rejection at the same area, right? 295.55 billion. It's like the world saying, no, that's too much money for crypto, man. Let's pull it back. We did get pulled back. Still managed to rally and get 2.28% gains. They were pulling back down 0.48%, but we're sitting at a market cap of $386.98 billion. Ain't that great, man? Do we have anything here? No, everything's good. Low to high, positive, more positive, high to high. Overbought at 73.86. That's about it. I'm not seeing a lot of things that are bearish here. Even from back here, I believe we're going higher. Now, we do have these islands. I don't want to be skipping over a lot of data. Something I don't like, and it's from way back here though, right? Look, I might even have to look at this on the weekly, and I don't like the way the weekly looks. But in the weekly, right, we're starting to make our first positive momentum week. That's why I don't like the way it looks. Because we'll be going from here to here, right, on the weekly. And just let me adjust this so it's going to be only on the weekly. And then we'll be going from here to here, right? And that would imply that we are creating strong bearish divergence. Just keep in mind that it's a large time scale, right? The weekly takes more weeks to play out, even months, right? So we're talking about months to like even years sometimes to play out. So we're starting to see this bearish divergence, but we're just starting to make this positive momentum island. The negative momentum was very short-lived, right? We had like 3 weeks of negative momentum. Now it's starting to go back up, which is good. But again, having that bearish divergence on the daily, that's something that I was looking at, right? From back here, or even back here. Look at the high on the RSI. We were at 89.15, right? That was the highest point, 89 point or something, 88.40. We're going from here to a lower point, and we're coming from back here to a higher point. But we are creating that bearish divergence, right? Now, for me, this is a very large time scale, right? That's why I don't want to anchor from back here, and so we're creating bearish divergence against the RSI. I just want to wait for this to build a little bit more on market cap and see how this is going to keep on playing out right now. On that note, Bitcoin dominance at 61.77. It lost dominance yesterday. It lost dominance. It actually gained yesterday, right? But I'm saying it lost because it gapped up on the opening and it pulled back down. It gapped from way back here all the way to up there. So there was probably there's something wrong with the data here. But we managed to gain 3.62%, right? And today we're moving down 0.12%, sitting at 61.77. Where is the Bitcoin price at? The Bitcoin price is at $12,914.18 cents. $12,914. Where are we at here? We rejected the midline of the equidistant channel. Then we went up today. We rejected 13,196. We actually got to a high of 13,212, and we pulled back down. So that's fine. You know, barely got above that area and pulled back down. Now we got a flag. Remember how I said we impulsed up? We got a flag. We're probably gonna be consolidating within this area, that $13,193 area to that 12,300. It's a large range. But there's not a lot of resistance in this area, right? Like, look, we have to go way back here to try to find something. And then there's not a lot of stuff back there, right? In this range, look, we could call this maybe, and this maybe where we're at. If we zoom in, and you can see that this area, right, where we're at right now, is the top of those candles. We could try to do that, you know. This, I was going by the main wick, so that would be a main wick, and here was another main wick, and then here was another main wick, right? So for my charts here, I was using the wicks. Now, if I could use the body as well, and we would be facing rejection at the body, or moving below the body right now, and the body here, but for me, that's putting too much data that it's unnecessary, because the wicks are good enough for this, right, on the bullish side. So we are on a bull trend, so we're looking for the bullish sign. I don't want to play so conservative right now. Because, you know, the trend is bullish, so we're trading with the trend. If we're on a bearish trend, I would be playing more conservative, going with the candle bodies and maybe calling different things. So this chart to the upside is rejecting at places where we have wicked before, and that's what we're seeing the wicks reject at same areas. Here we had wicks also, but we're seeing body closes, and that's fine. But we know it's an area where we can reject it. That's what we're getting, right? So moving down, overbought at 79.22 on the RSI. Nothing's good, right? High, positive. Look at this. Remember a couple days ago, this used to look like very big on the chart. It just looks tiny now because we're going so much higher, and the MACD line is just coming way up high. But we don't have anything. The hidden bearish we had to here, right? It already played. From here to here, we're going higher. We're going higher. We cannot call anything here. Now, the only thing I'm worried about calling, or not making the call right now, is I just want to play conservative, like I said, on this part only, right? Not on the overall market, but on this part I want to play conservative because I'm not sure this is going to trigger. Look at this, right? High. We're at 85.57, and here we're at 81.06. So we're coming in lower, right? And that's clear to see, right? That's easy to see. It's clear as day. And look at this. We're going from here, right, to a much higher point, right? So we are having that bearish divergence strong. I'm not sure if I want to call this. We are getting rejection, though, of a resistance. I'm not sure if this bearish divergence is going to play us to the downside. That's why I want to be conservative. I would much rather look for stuff on the shorter time scale than go with this. Because, again, we're going over a lot of data. If we count the periods, and I can do that real quick with a measure, and go from here. to here, right? And we'll be doing 82 bars. That would mean 82 days, right? That's like 3 months of data. And our RSI is just counting 14 periods, right? So we're outside of the periods that we're counting. So that's why I'm hesitant to call this divergence there. It is, but I'm not sure if that's going to play us to the downside, right? I do believe there's other things that could play us to the downside. Just, I'm not sure how I should. Let me see if I can edit this. Maybe make it less, a little bit more opaque. Yeah, I'll make it like that. I'll make it faint. That way we know there's a chance it's not going to play out. Because I don't want to give this a lot of power. I just want to know that we talked about it, but I want to ignore it. On that note, let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, let's go to the 4 hour chart. Right, on the 4 hour, look, here we're looking for divergence, bearish. We did get it. We did slightly move down on the next candle, right, 7 p.m. Or that candle show. Then we move slightly down still on the next candle, and then we rallied, right? And that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. The only thing I'm noticing now is, look, we're going from a high to a higher high, and now I got to bring this back to the dark, to full opacity, right? 100%. Let's get this on the 4 hour. And let me check Discord. Was there any requests? No, there were no requests in Discord. That's fine. Anyways, all right. So we're going higher, right? As we're going higher, we're coming lower. That means we're creating that bearish divergence. On the other side, we're still going lower. Look at that, right? Boom, boom. Beautiful, right? It's a cross. So again, we're getting rejection spot on at 13,196. So that's fine. Again, we're within the range. We could take a breather, try to go up again. That's fine. We could come down here to 20, at 20 being at 12,415. That'll be a big move down, right? Approximately, we're talking about the $500 move down. So we're looking at like 4% or so. Anyways, overbought at 75.20. So we're overbought on the daily. We're overbought on the 4 hour. You know, we're developing bearish divergence in the 4 hour on the shorter time scale, which is what I was looking for, right? I don't want to find an excuse that it's over a large period of time. I want to find something that's short term, concise, that will tell me very likely that we're going to move down. This bearish divergence would be an indicator that we're going to move down. So let's go to the 1 hour. What do we have on the 1 hour? High, lower high, positive, less positive, high on there, side to lower point, right? We failed to go higher than the previous high. That's fine. We don't have anything going on there. Now here, low, higher low, negative, less negative, low on there, side to lower point. Oh, we do have something that is good. I'm not sure how strong this is going to be yet. We are starting to create hidden bullish. That hidden bullish could get us to go higher and higher and higher. So hidden bullish divergence again. There's that potential for action to the upside. We're moving up. We're going to hit the 20. We're going to see what we want to do when we get there. Could reject and move lower. Try to get above it and then catapult and maybe go for another retest of 13,196. Now, if we were to move down here, we would have the 20 moving average on the 4 hour to look forward to, and then 12,354. Those are the moves. Now, what else am I looking at here? Again, not much going on besides that. Neutral on the 1 hour, that's fine at 53.94. Bollinger Bands are a little bit expanded, not as tight as I would like to see them, like back here, right, before we get that explosion move to the upside. Right here, where we exploded and went to the upside, right, exploded again, went to the upside. We're expanded, let's say. We're in a medium range of expansion of the Bollinger Bands, and that's fine. We could run the Bollinger Bands to the bottom part, that would get us to 12,782. That wouldn't be a bad move. That's $200 more or less from where we're at, and that's fine, actually. On that note, let's see how much Bitcoin gained today, because it did gain. It just didn't gain as much as the other coins. It just gained 1.31%. Alts run today. Ethereum pumped a lot. Ethereum went up for a 5% gain. At some point in time, I was doing 6 and plus gains. Oh, the beauty of the lines, right? We're rejected 418. We did briefly get above it. We were facing at resistance a couple of times. We're facing resistance at the 161.8% retrace, right? So from 100%, that is the line over here. We retraced 161.8. So we did a very, very deep retrace. They'll be like increasing, right, to 61.8% from 100%, which is good. And we could confirm that by doing this, right, from 100 to here. It was like 42 or so, but that's fine. 161.8. 1618. Fibonacci. Anyways, starting to move down slightly. It looks like we moved down, but we're trying to go back up. We're outside of the Bollinger Bands. We want to be within the Bollinger Bands. So that could be part of the reasons that we're moving down here. Do we have something on Ethereum? We had it earlier on today. I'm not sure if we still have it. 4.94, 4.82. We could still go there and say, look, we're creating that hidden bearish. You know, just be careful. It looks like we want to get rid of it. Any small pump would really get rid of this. That's fine. On that note, thin bought at 66.74. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour. Coming in higher, higher, and higher. Everything's good. Right, nothing off. Short term, very short term. Right here. Alright, look at that 4-hour. From right here, right? That's it. Nothing else. Bearish divergence, strong potential action to the downside. Started to curve off here. But look at the beauty of this, right? We went, hit that target at the 1618, then we moved, rejected this area. Look at this one. A rejection, a rejection, rejection. So what happens when we reject? We move lower. We try to gain strength, right? It's like you cannot ram through a wall by being like very close to it, right? Like you gotta pull back, grab strength, that way you gain momentum, and then boom, you burst through, right? And then you manage to break through. So I think 418 is posing a little bit more of a resistance that we want to have. So, you know, that's fine. You just gotta probably pull back down a little bit, maybe go at it again, right? Here we're too close, right? Look, boom, boom, boom. Very short moves and rejections. Or we bought at 75.94. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour we do have something, right? And this is what I do like about this. Because it don't lie, man. Divergence don't lie. It's divergence. Mosquito. Damn use mosquito. Alright, from here to here, and then from here to here. Right, look at this. From here to here, it doesn't matter. Right, from here to here, and then from here to here, it will still be the same. And from here to here, right, I'll just make it all the same way. There we go. Anyways, strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. We're facing strong bearish divergence at a resistance. Coincidence? Sometimes. You know, but it just at least lets us know that we're going to break down. We're overbought. That's fine. We had strong bearish divergence at our resistance. We got to pull back down. Look, we're finding support at the 20. That's good. Why are we supporting at 20? Hidden bullish. Here's your sign, right? Hidden bullish. We don't have anything here. Low, higher, low. It's fine. I just bought at 60.95. You know. Still move down. I mean, right now we're tongue twisted. Right now we're sitting at a 20, trying to move up. We're gonna face again the 1618. We faced it before here, right? Like, look, one, fail, and then finally get above it. That's what we're seeing right now. On that note, let's go check out XRP. One second, guys. Daughter's crying. Be right back. Just give me one brief second. Yo, I'm back. Whoa. Thank you for sticking with me as I had to do that quick run. Checking on children, always good. Don't let them be by themselves at night. They get scared. My daughter had to go out. My wife went out for to get some grub, and the kids woke up, and both my son and my daughter woke up, so I had to go calm them down real quick. Anyways. Bearish divergence, action to downside potentially on XRP. Strong bearish divergence on the daily. Let's wait and see how this is going to play out. Sitting at 25.83 on the other side. Dude, I wish we would have gotten to 27 cents. This is insane that XRP is still failing to take off from here. We don't have anything against the other side. Bought at 60.12, 60.21. Let's go to the 4 hour. Higher, higher, and higher. Everything's good. Just bought at 63.42. It's fine. Probably we have something on the 1 hour that's pulling us back, and that's fine. From back here, we're clear, right? Look high, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher side to a hard point. Everything's good. So let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour XRP. Oh, something came over from another time scale. There we go. That was from the daily. From the daily. There we go. Right on. So what's going on here? Look, we kept on climbing from yesterday. We called the bearish divergence. We moved down on that. That's fine. 11 p.m. We took a rally. As we're taking that rally, like that, right? Boom. And then from here to here. Right. I don't want to cross over a lot of data. That's what I'm going by parts, by numbers, right? Color by numbers. Color by parts. That'll be the name of the show right now. Anyways, we're going from here to here. Okay, 1. So we did move down slightly, right? Pump back up, right? And look at that, on that move. More bearish divergence, yay! Here we didn't have it against the RSI, we went higher, so that's fine. We just have it against the MACD, but on this last part, we have it against the RSI. And that's what we're moving down, right? Finale, how's it going, man? Everything's good, bro. Thanks for being here. How's the lawn watering coming along, bro? So let's go and, yeah, that's it for XRP, right? Again, moving down, below 20. Hidden bullish, starting to develop. Probably while we're getting that U-turn happening, I'll anchor it from here, just so we know we talked about it. So from here, 2 more. Here we don't have it, right? We're still less, so that's fine. Just against the MACD. Do that U-turn, might go to that 26 cent area, which is fine. I really want to see XRP do better, but it's just underperforming heavily, right? And that's the reality of things, right? There's no point in overhyping, overselling, and overpromising stuff. It's just underperforming. Will it take off one day? It should. I mean, XRP is one of the big projects, so it should be taking off someday. When? Dude, your guess is good as mine. It's just been underperforming heavily. It has been failing to, like, take off, to, like, get stuff going on. Definitely make some profits on RSR. Dude, I'm not sure, man. I haven't even looked at RSR today. Where's it at? I wanted at RSR at like 31 cents, dude. So I'm probably taking it at bidding steel. I haven't added more to my position. I really just want to see where I'm going to exit. I haven't exited yet. I didn't look at RSR today, to be fair. Here it is, RSR at 15 cents. All right, we'll check it out in a second though, because it's sitting at 15 cents. So. I'm probably losing about half because I'm getting at 31, so 15 and change. I'm probably losing like, yeah, 50%. We'll check it out when we get there. Let's go to Litecoin. What's happening with the Litecoin? Pumping still, again, gaining 2.62%. Again, sorry, I forgot to say, XRP did manage to have good gains today, right? It pulled back down. It was getting so much better earlier. It just closed at gains of 2.48 yesterday. That sucks. At some point in time, I was doing like 5 or 4 and change, so it was so much better. Litecoin, again, bearish divergence, that's fine. We still have it to here. Yay to there, and then yay to here. This is at 81, and this is at 74, so still slightly less. We don't have it against RSI, bought at 58.03. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Nothing, right? We didn't have anything yesterday. We don't have anything today. Just pulling back down, that's fine. We're overbought. Now we're bought at 69.53. Again, consolidation, right? We talked about that. Those magical words that say consolidate. Now, on the 1 hour, right? We're looking for bearish divergence. We did get it, right? We pulled back down. That's fine. We tried to rally a little bit more. That was great. We were here last night at 9. So we're barely getting above that area. We might have not even done that by the time we were live. Look at this. We managed to still go higher. Still coming lower. And still coming here, right? So again, that bearish divergence played us to the downside, right? Isn't that great? Break below 20. Trying to bounce right now. Neutral at 53.67 on the RSI. Why are we bouncing? It's easy, right? All of the coins have this. Those magical hidden bullish divergences that we're creating, right? We don't have it against the RSI. That's fine. Just against the MACD. Getting that U-turn. Heading for that 20, right? That 20 being at 54.93. Litecoin at $54.64. Let's go check out Binance. What's happening with the Binance Daily, man? High, low, bearish divergence, move down, right? Hidden bullish, going on a rally, that's fine. Neutral 59.91, nothing else happening. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we're looking for bearish divergence. We still managed to pump here and still have that hidden bearish again. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. Moving down on that, that's great. I think we have it here. We'll move down, found support, bounce. Again, we have it. Moving down on it, trying to bounce. Maybe we have something on the 1 hour. Neutral 59.08 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What is happening on the 1 hour? We managed to go higher. Right, so stuff that we were looking for. So we went higher, and that's great. And then we still managed to come here. On the other side, we don't. You know, from here to here, we still have it just in the MACD. So I'll just redraw that, I guess. Right. And then it was from here to here, I think. But we would have kept on tracking in there, you know. We would have kept on building it. Bearish divergence section to the downside, moving down. Breaking below 20 right now, facing as resistance. Trying to get above it. We'll see how this is going to end up in 21 minutes and 27 seconds. Neutral at 57.67 on the RSI. Oh, there was an error. Please try again. Okay. Trying again. Oh, DVT at 3.7 sats. Not good, man. Let's get the MACD. We had some bullish divergence. It just didn't play out, right? Let's get the RSI out here as well. We're going to have to check out why. I don't remember seeing anything bearish, though. I mean, this project's heavily undervalued. I do believe this project is going to be doing good later on, so... Look at this, from here to here coming lower, right? Look, from here to here. And go from here to here. Right. Yeah, I think yesterday we looked at this one here. Right, so strong bullish, and strong bullish again, right? I think that's what we were going to call here. Strong bullish divergence developing low, and then we're coming in lower, and look at that, we're bouncing higher as we're coming lower. Isn't that weird? Are we going like from here to here, right? Or, you know, here to here. That move down. So, you know, we do have strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. We should be getting a bounce happening here. See how this is going to play out for RSR. Sorry for DVT. After this, I'm going to look at RSR. My nose is starting to run. Damn yous, weather changes. What do we have here? Bear, bullish divergence in the 4 hour. Strong. Look at that. Boom. Coming lower again. We have that same move going on here, right? Strong bullish against even the RSI. And then MACD. There we go, right? Look. Boom. Strong bullish on the 1 hour. Strong bullish on the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily. We know we have strong bullish there. Oh, yeah, we do from back here, right? We're still running on that. We could be getting one of those fell to drop attempts, right? Fell to drop to this level, and we really bounce, or maybe we make a double bottom and then we bounce, right? That's a way this could go for real. So that's gonna be it for DVT. I'm gonna go back here, look at RSR now, because I got a request or got mentioned at least. RSR, man. What's happening on the daily? Oh, dude, we're getting very close to my first taking profit level. Right, we wicked it yesterday. I wasn't paying attention. Was that what you asked? FNL, if I was making profit? No, that was my first take profit level, but I don't have any alerts for it. It did go up 11% yesterday, mighty 11%. Today going up 9%, which is very, very good for this project, I guess. Combined, right, here to here, it's going up 68%. So if you got in 2 days ago, probably doing really good on this. I didn't, so I'm still waiting to get out, actually. And my take profits are at this levels, right? So I might take some profit here, then some here, then some here. I might add more to my position if I believe it's going to run again. But right now, I'm still waiting to recover, right? I got in here at this line over here, the green line. That was my entry. And that current price is, I would be losing 48%, right? I told you about 50. So close enough, 48 and change, right? It's because that 15 cent, it's almost at 16 cents. Still going up 10.95% today, man. That's good. It's at 1.6 cents, dude. On that note, let's go check out ADA. Cardano. ADA at 11 cents, man. It's recovering. It's doing stuff, right? A little bit. Yesterday we wigged the 382. Push back down. We're trying to go at it again today. Look, oh no, on the daily. What are we doing, man? We're starting to develop bearish divergence. Do I like that? No, I don't. No, I don't. We haven't killed this positive momentum island, so I don't like the fact that we're developing bearish divergence. That means we could be going down on Cardano. Sitting bought at 60.67 on their side. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had the bullishness. We're running on that. That's great, right? Now we're going higher, higher, and slightly higher, I guess. 65.53, 65.91. Slightly higher. All good, man. Nothing bearish right now. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we had the bearish divergence. We moved down to that. That's great. So from here to here, we're coming in higher, less negative, higher on there. So that's great. Nothing there. Got above the 20, took that bounce. Now on that move, on that fateful move. Look at this, man. Would you look at that? Bearish divergence. Action downside. Move down, hit that 20. Going for a bounce. That's good, though. We found support at the 20. That's what we want to see. If we fail to get above this level, we could be dropping. So, careful with that. 70.96, 70.83, slightly less. I mean, from here to here, we'll have some divergence. Right? This one. That'll be it, though. That's it for Cardano. Bearish divergence. Moving down. Trying to get a bounce. Let's see if that's going to play out. If it fails to go higher than this level, like I said, we could really be looking for that movement down again. On that note, I'm going to go check out... What else are we going to check out, guys? Let me know. Where's Stellar, dude? Stellar was supposed to be doing good, so... 8 cents. Wow, not doing so hot, right? I'm going to start doing other stuff real quick. So silver and gold, and then stocks. And then if there's no requests, we'll call it a day. Gold moving down, hitting that 20, trying to get a bounce. That's great. We don't have anything besides the bullish divergence strong. We had called back here. That's great. Silver, same stuff. Hitting bullish, running on that. Managing to hold that 1618 retrace, which is good. Sitting at 24.64%. Sorry, $24.64 dollars per ounce. Dow Jones gained 152 points. That's good. Bounce on the 20. Still have the bearish divergence. Negative momentum building. We'll see how that plays out. US 30, Dow Live, again, pushing back down today. Losing 38 points. S&P up 17 points. Bouncing at the 20, just like the Dow. London down 48 points. Still higher than the Spurs low. So are we doing something? Doubt it, man. Let's see. 42 negative and 46. Yes, we are. Some very slight hidden bullish. That will be all, dude. Oh, we also have it on the other side. On the other side, a little bit more noticeable. This pulling back up will be okay, but you know, right now we have that, so we'll go with that. Nikkei 165 points negative, so it dropped. It's at 20. Last thing we had, bearish divergence. Toronto up 49 points again, just like the rest of the U.S. markets, right? The S&P and the Dow going up slightly, hitting the 20 and rejecting a little bit. It's okay. West Texas Oil. We're looking for bearish divergence. Move down, hit that 20, trying to find support. Brent Oil, same move. That note, there's not a lot going on. Neutral at 51.15. West Texas, yeah, neutral also at 51.89. That's about it, dudes. Oh no, we've gone through everything. We started super late, dude. I think the stream has only been live for about 30 minutes or so. 35 minutes. But it's so quiet. A lot of people are probably out there, you know, celebrating, popping off champagne bottles because crypto's going up. It's all good, man. We play conservative. I'm trying to see what else is pumping right now on my side chart here, so we can look at something else. But really waiting for you guys to, you know, ask for something. If there's no requests, you know, it's gonna be it, bros. What is this coin at? Oh, dude, I remember someone was talking about getting into this. Look at the daily, man. I think it was like one of the big guys. It's just fucking dropping insane, dude. Also, this one, BZRX, right? Still at lowers. One of the YouTubers, or no, one of the Twitter guys was telling that to get in, it was gonna be a good opportunity, you know, whatever. I don't think I have it on the 1 hour because I look back here. They're calling for an end back on September. Look at how horrible this played. I think it was Slim Trady that was saying that this was gonna be good. Oh, I'm set up, man. This is gonna be good. Yeah, whatever, man. At 11 cents, just kept on going down. That's why you don't follow a lot of advice that you see on social media. If Benny was here, he would be checking out Seller or something. I'm not sure, but Dragon. Is there anything moving right now? Star SR gaining 11 points, right? At 16 cents. Yay! Hitting very close to my exit. Come on, RSR, you can do it. Keep on pumping, man. Keep on pumping, man. Come on, man. Yesterday, how much you would have gained if you would have exited at the top, right? Like, it rejected the area. Almost spot on. You would have gained 30+%, I guess. I couldn't read it because there was data up there. But for me to hear. 31% yesterday, man. Again, this project doing good. I should have gotten in here. Yeah, maybe, man, but I don't want to because I'm really looking for an exit on this project, right? That's the main thing. Solo, not doing much. Tron, not doing much. 0.07. Still below 3 cents. 2.7 cents. You know, there's really not a lot going on right now, and there's no requests. So, with that note, my alert's still there for Bitcoin. You know, I'm just gonna go back and check on it. But you know, wife came back with the food, so I also want to go eat. And since there's not a lot of stuff going on, you know, we're gonna see if we get to this level again. Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you all for being here. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub. I hope you find this entertaining, educational. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. I don't know that we are here. This is a great channel. Guys, this is going to be it for tonight. Again, this is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It was a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Thursday night. Hope you had a great time. Go out and enjoy the rest of the night. It's going to be all for tonight. Until tomorrow.